Module 1, AI Viewer. This is an all-in-one DICOM viewer within RadioView.AI used to access and review images from multiple modalities with instant, secure access across every site. Mastering AI Extract. In this video, we will take you through the process of effortlessly transforming unstructured radiology reports into structured data to instantly extract key findings, measurements, diagnoses, and follow-ups from your recordings. With smart templates adapting perfectly to the exact modality you're reading, on the home screen, select AI Viewer from the side panel. Browse through the list and select the study you want to review. Note, AI Extract can be used on studies which are completed and in progress. From the right side panel, click the fifth icon, Extraction. This will open the AI extraction screen next to the selected image. Then click the Extract Data button to begin extracting structured data. Wait a moment as the system processes the data. Once complete, the extracted data will be displayed. The benefit? You can edit and review the extracted data right inside the report editor before signing off. Re-extraction availability. Reports in progress. State, re-extraction is available. Reports in completed state. Re-extraction is not available. To re-extract the data, click Re-extract. The system will process and refresh the data in the list. To download it, simply click on Export CSV.